All right, everybody. We're looking at a 2-gang here with a Deako 2-gang backplate. I'm going to show you how to install this. As you can see, we have 2 separate 3-way circuits. That is 2 switches, 1 light source on either side. We also already have our neutrals pigtailed out and our grounds connected already. As you all know, it's imperative we hook up neutrals to every single switch in the house so that your home buyers have flexibility when installing different devices. So for starters here, I'm going to go ahead and get my neutrals hooked up by plugging them into the neutral ports. Next, I'll move on to my 3-ways. Just like any other 3-way setup, you have commons and travelers. I'll go ahead and start with my common and then move on to my travelers. It's important to put your travelers in the right slots, red traveler and black traveler on the back of the backplate. Moving on to the next switch, same thing, we have a common and 2 travelers. All right, once these are all connected, we can get the wires pushed back into the box and screw the backplate to the wall. All right, now that the backplate's installed, we're gonna go ahead and pop out the single pole modules that come with the backplate and replace them with the 3-way modules. And install our screwless faceplate. If you have any other questions on this, don't hesitate to reach out to Deako support team. You can find them at support@deako.com.